The first fleet arrived in Sydney in 1787. Since then we've had a fascination with the land down under. Many of us can claim ancestors from Australia or trace ancestors that travelled to Australia. Ideally, you should have a sense of where your ancestor originated from or where they emigrated to. Coming up now are some website addresses for tracking down birth, marriage and death (BMD) records in Australia. You may want to pause this video, but do come back and continue because there's more information to come. Good luck and let me know how you get on.